Isang mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. So, today is yung last installment natin ng ating series, which is Understanding the Gospel. So, our topic for today is not ashamed or hindi ko ikinakahiya. So, ano nga ba ang hindi dapat natin ikahiya? Yung gospel, di ba? So, in connection to our topic for today, ang Bible verse na ating tatalakayin ay ang Romans chapter 1 verse 16. So, in English Standard Version, ito. For I am not ashamed of the gospel, for it is the power of God for salvation to everyone who believes, to the Jew first and also to the Greek. So, in Filipino translation naman, or in ang salita ng Diyos version, ito ay sapagkat hindi ko ikinakahiya ang ebanghelyo patungkol kay Kristo, sapagkat ito ang kapangyarihan ng Diyos sa ikaliligtas ng bawat isang sumasampalataya. Ang ebanghelyo ay una para sa mga Hudyo at sunod ay para sa mga Hentil. So, this verse is talking about, diba, yung hindi natin pagiging or not feeling ashamed of the gospel. Kumbaga, hindi natin kailangan ikahiya ang gospel dahil this is all about Jesus Christ na siyang nagligtas sa atin sa mga kasalanan natin. And itong gospel na to is one of our ways through salvation. So, ito yung isa sa mga bagay na napaka-importante when it comes to our salvation, because only those who believe the gospel are those subject for salvation, di ba? So, para mas mapalalim pa itong talakayan natin, is proceed tayo sa ating teaching. So, for our application part, how can we be courageous to proclaim the gospel? Number 1, know what to say. Have a solid grasp of the gospel message. Number 2, say what you know. It is a responsibility to say what we know. Number 3, trust the Spirit. It is the responsibility of the Spirit to convert the hearts of people. So for our discussion part, by now, after watching this devotion, we should be able to identify why should we focus on the gospel and leave the result to the Spirit.